Hello, I am Shaika Khalili, and on the occasion of the International Women's Day, as a woman, I am participating in the speech competition, the topic of which is feminism a reality in rural India? So, starting my speech with the basic question of what is feminism? Is feminism man versus woman? Is feminism the picturization of a young, angry, urban girl holding a banner in her hand? No, this is not feminism. So, if this is not feminism, then what is feminism? Feminism is the right to equality and the right to choose. Feminism is equality of rules, both inside and outside of a house for a girl, and not discriminated on the basis of gender. So, coming on to the main topic, that is feminism a reality in rural India? To which my honest answer will be no. To me, feminism is an urban concept. Wherever you go, whether you go to urban South India, urban North India, or Central India, the amazing women of the rural India don't even know their possibility to access as an equal citizen or get aware of the rights which they are unaware of. We are privileged to know and talk and hold a conversation on the topic of feminism and its ideas. Not denying that girls are not aware today than before, but still, these are the girls who are away from the metros and the cities and just a dreamer living thousands of life in their head and just their head and wishing to be more lucky or brave. The government has given its norms, and yet again, nobody is enacting them. Domestic violence, patriarchy, injustice is what they face daily, and still they are asked not to speak out and keep mum. So, why is the scenario like this? Because they are all caught up in the hierarchy of needs. When you are an uneducated, financially dependent, and a woman, then running a house, managing water for your family members, and feeding them becomes your primary concern and not your equality. Women are oppressed since centuries and live with a gender biased exploitation. They are controlled from the small to big things. They are not allowed to study, they are not allowed to go out, they are not allowed to work, they are not allowed to make a choice, they are not allowed to do anything. Everything they do is controlled. Even if they want to work, they cannot work in an organized sector because of their lack of education. If you go to a village and simply ask a young girl of what they aspire to be, I don't know about the inspiration, but they will say that they want to be a woman and get married. This is what they are taught since a child, which a boy is not. So, feminism is a very beautiful concept, but it is area limited. It is not for everyone and it is not for every part of the country. Feminism, which is a very beautiful thing, is not for everyone. So, ending my speech with this, I want to conclude that we must do something, we must create the awareness and tell every girl and every woman out there that feminism should be for everyone and everyone should know about it. Thank you.